Welcome to my tutorial. This video is about adoption of the method of chain rule for differentiation. So we have few questions on the board and we expected to use the chain rule formula to get the derivative of these functions. Now let's start with the first question. This is the chain rule formula we use to find the derivative of this function. Let 3x squared minus 2 equal to u. Since all these equal u, substituting u for 3x squared minus 2, the function changes to y equal u raised to the power of 3. So the y over the u will be equal to, the coefficient of u here is 1, so we have 3 times 1u, 3 minus 1. Therefore our dy over du is 3u squared. Let's proceed to differentiating our u. We refer that to be du by the x. 2 times 3x, 2 minus 1. Now let's use the chain rule formula to get the derivative of this. That is dy by the x equal to dy over du times du over the x. 3u squared times 6x. So we have 18x. Remember our u value is and then square. So we succeeded in finding the derivative of this function, which is 18x bracket 3x squared minus 2 and then all square. Now let's answer the b part of the question. Let 6 minus x squared equal u, so that y will be equal 5 over, we said all these values here is u and then raised to the power of 3. So we have 5. Taking u raised to power 3 up becomes u raised to power minus 3. Differentiating this, that is the y over du will be minus 3 times 5u minus 3 minus 1. So the y by du equal to minus 15u raised to power minus 4. Let's differentiate u, that is du by the x. Differentiation of 6 equals 0 because 6 is a constant. So we differentiate minus x squared. So we have 2 times minus x, 2 minus 1. So the power of x here is 1. Now let's use the chain rule formula to get the y by the x. The y by the u value is this times the u by the x minus 15u raised to the power of minus 4 times minus 2x. We have 30x. Taking u raised to power minus 4 to the denominator gives positive u raised to power 4. So substituting the value of u gives 30x over 6 minus x squared raised to power 4. So this is the derivative of this function. Now let's get the derivative of this. Let 1 minus 2x raised to power 3 equal u, so that y will be equal the square root of u. The square root of u is equivalent to u raised to power 1 over 2. So the y over the u will be 1 over 2u, 1 over 2 minus 1, minus 1 over 2. Bringing u to the denominator changes the power to a positive value. U raised to power 1 over 2 is equivalent to the square root of u. Let's get value for the u by the x. That is the differentiation of minus 2x raised to power 3. So 3 times minus 2, then x raised to power 2 because 3 minus 1 gives 2. So the y by the s will be equal to the y by the u times the u by the x. So minus 6x squared times 1 gives minus 6x squared over 2 root u. 6 divided by 2. So we have minus 3x squared over square root of u. Substituting the value of u, we have, remember our u value is 1 minus 2x raised to power 3. Let's answer the last question. Let 1 plus x squared equal u, such that y will be equal 1 over square root of u. With this here, the square root of u means u raised to power 1 over 2. Taking u raised to power 1 over 2 up gives us u raised to power minus 1 over 2. Differentiating this, that is the y by the u equal minus 1 over 2u minus 1 over 2 minus 1 gives minus 3 over 2. We have minus 1 over 2. Bringing u raised to power minus 3 over 2 down gives root u raised to power 3. So our dy by du is minus 1 over 2 root u raised to power 3. Let's differentiate the x. That is du by the x will be equal, differentiating x squared gives say 2 times x Then the power of s here is 2. We say 2 minus 1. So the power of s here is 1. Applying the chain rule formula, the y by the s will be equal the y by the u times the u by the x. 2x times minus 1 divided by 2 root u raised to power 3. The 2 here cancels this 2 here. On the numerator, we are left with minus x divided by square root of u. Remember, our u value is 1 plus s squared and then raised to power 3. So we succeeded in using the chain rule formula to get the derivative of all these functions. If this video was really helpful, please do well to like, and if you are yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you have any question or any topic you want us to treat in our future video, please leave that on the comment section. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I publish a new video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.